top 5 electrical engineering schools in the Philippines based on the board passing rate as of April 2022 and with a complete job guide. So, ito ang tatalakayin natin sa video na ito. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai ng Ilocano Defenders. So, coming in at number 5 would be Mapua University located in Intramuros, Manila with a passing rate of 80.65%. Ang kanilang tuition fee ay nasa 29,600 to 35,900 quarterly. So, 4 na quarter ho sa isang taon. So, medyo mataas. Ang number 4 is University of Batangas with a passing rate of 83.04%. Ang kanilang tuition fee ay nasa 22 to 25,000 per semester. Ang number 3 is Bohol Island State University with a tuition fee of around 22 to 27,000 per semester. Ang kanilang passing rate ay nasa 85.29%. And number 2 would be Mindanao State University with a passing rate of 87.5%. And ang kanilang tuition fee ay around 3,000 to 6,000 pesos per semester. And number 1 would be University of the Philippines in Los Baños, Laguna. Ang kanilang passing rate ay nasa 96.23% with a 20,000 to 25,000 per semester tuition fee. So, with this, marami mga companies din na naghahanap ng mga bagong license passers. And ito ang complete job guide natin para sa inyo. So, mga companies that you can look into as a new board passer is Team Global Facility Solutions with a salary range of 19 to 21,000 pesos. GS Global HR Services Corp with a salary range of 40,000 pesos. Main City Property Holding Corp with a salary range of 20 to 25,000 pesos. PHPC with a salary range of 19 to 25,000 pesos. Santos Knight Frank MAKATI with a salary range of 20 to 25,000 pesos. ELS Consultancy and Management with a salary range of 21 to 31,000 pesos. OCIC Consulting International with a salary range of 30,000 pesos. John Clements Consultants with a salary range of 35 to 45,000 pesos. SER Corporation Taguig with a salary range of up to 25,000 pesos. TCGI Engineers Makati with a salary range of 20 to 28,000 pesos. Electromechanic Company Inc. with a salary range up to 25,000 pesos. FRC Engineering and Construction with a salary range of 15 to 20,000 pesos. Kinden Philippines Corporation with a salary range of 23 to 27,000 pesos. R2 Builders with a salary range up to 35,000 pesos. One Midori Asia with a salary range of 25 to 35,000 pesos. Fomar Construction Services with a salary range of 20 to 25,000 pesos. Green Gen Incorporated with a salary range up to 24,000 pesos. Kempal Construction and Supply Corporation with a salary range of 30 to 35,000 pesos. Red Cube Builders with a salary range of 18 to 25,000 pesos. Net Pacific Inc. with a salary range of 18 to 20,000 pesos. OmniWorks Inc. with a salary range up to 20,000 pesos. iConstructors and Developers with a salary range of up to 30,000 pesos. Advanced Design Services Inc. with a salary range of 20 to 35,000 pesos. Rayville Electrical Construction Corporation with a salary range of 16 to 20,000 pesos. GTC Propac Corp with a salary range of 18 to 25,000 pesos. First Philec Inc. with a salary range of up to 30,000 pesos. Stone of Hope Builders and Development Corporation with a salary range of 15 to 25,000 corporations. Ngayon, mas marami pang corporations out there that you can join, at these are some of the samples that we compiled for your complete guidance. So, iba-ibang salary ranges kasi iba-iba yung posisyon. May mga designers, may mga field, mayroong mga iba't ibang klaseng mga position na makukuha nyo bilang isang engineer, no? So, yun ho ang kailangan natin ma-determine kung saan kayo papasa bilang sa skill level nyo or sa kaalaman ninyo or kung saan kayo magkaroon ng oportunidad. Muli, ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai, ang inyong coach ng bayan.